Hi guys, today we saw about CLT. Myself, I am Akash Raj. I am studying B.Pharm second year in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Today's topic solubility, the maximum amount of solute particle which can be dissolved in per gram ml of solvent is called solubility of drug. Saturated solution, a solution that contains maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. Unsaturated solution, concentration of solute is lower than its solubility in equilibrium. Supersaturated solution, more than the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved at a given temperature. Artificial intelligence, the ability of digital computer or computer controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. The term is frequently applied to the project of developing system endowed with the intellectual process characteristic of humans, such as ability of reason, discover meaning, generalizes, or learn from past experience. Artificial intelligence can assist in structure-based solubility by prediction of supercritical carbon dioxide solubility in polymers based on hybrid artificial intelligence method integrated with the diffusion theory. Solubility expression, description term and part of solvent required for 1 part of solute. Very soluble means less than 1. Freely soluble means 1 to 10. Soluble means 10 to 30. Springly soluble means 30 to 100. Slightly soluble means 100 to 1000. Very slightly soluble means 1000 to 10,000. Partially soluble or insoluble means more than 10,000. Importance of solubility determination. Solubility is one of the most important parameters to achieve desired concentration of drug in systematic circulation for achieving required pharmaceutical response. It is important in the formulation of dosage form, also prediction of solubility or dose of a drug. Principle, the solubility and dissolution property of drug perform a valuable role in the process of formulation of development. Apparatus, analytical balance, stirrer, thermostat, beaker, UV visible spectrophotometer, pipette. Procedure, firstly clean all the glasswares. Make saturated solution of paracetamol by adding it in water at room temperature. Filter the solution. Now take saturated solution in 3 different conical flasks, 10 ml in each. Add 3 to 4 drops of phenolphthalein. Titrate the solution with 0.1 N and sodium hydroxide. Note the burette calculation. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, where N1 is equal to concentration of paracetamol, V1 is equal to volume of paracetamol, N2 is equal to concentration of NaOH, V2 is equal to volume of sodium hydroxide. Solubility is equal to normality into mass equivalent into volume of solution in liter. Summary. By this method you can substitute the value you can record through titration. You can say your friend's solubility. You can saw your friend's solubility of paracetamol at normal room temperature. You can give him or her a proper result as solubility of paracetamol in water at room temperature is mg per liter. References, Pharmaceutical book of Tanveer Sasik, Pharmaceutical book 1, Nirali Prakasan. Thank you very much.